Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my podcast. So my name is Pancar Twalim and I'm the host today. And today we are going to talking about wabi sabi. It's a philosophy from Japan, and I've invited to speaker Miss
Lilis.
Miss Lilis and
my Rustian.
okay, thank you to coming to my podcast. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys several questions and you guys have to answer my question. Okay, and I'm sorry I don't have any drink here or food here. Okay,
No problem.
no problem. Okay, thank you. So the first question is, what is sabi sabi based on your opinion? Start from
Wabi sabi is a way of saying life that expects imperfection as a natural part of being human. Life does not have to be net of perfective, organized to be meaningful. Meaning often draws from something that are unacceptable of imperfect.
Okay, for me, wabi sabi is about finding beauty in simple and perfect thing. Sometimes is flawed or for when feels more honest because it reflected real life as it is.
okay, nice opinion about wabi sabi. So the point is, wabi sabi is teach us. Uh, it's not. I mean, like teach us to not force ourselves to be perfect. I mean, like we are just perfect. You are perfect just the way you are. Gitu. Okay. Okay. Good answer. Okay, so the second question is, why does wabi sabi feel opposite to modern life?
Okay, because today many people feel pressure to look perfect in
Yeah,
public.
exactly.
There is strong expectation to appear successful, happy, and put together, even when reality is different. Okay, that's all.
Okay,
Okay, good. Good.
maybe for me, social media makes to compare our life to the bad version of other people's life. We forget that behind thoughts image, everyone has target and unified story.
Okay, okay. So, wabi sabi is invite us to be honest with reality, not with a police life. Maybe the point. That's the point, maybe. Okay. Next to the next question. What is the core of wabi sabi?
And the core of wabi sabi is expecting life as it is, without being too harsh on ourselves for not being perfect.
Okay.
Okay, it reminds you to flow the process of living, not only the final result.
Okay. For me is the core of wabi sabi. So the core is making peace with life imperfection.
Yeah.
So we don't have to be perfect. I mean, we just accept like maybe just the way you are. Don't force yourself to be perfect. Okay. Okay. The next question. Why can imperfection be considered beautiful?
Okay.
For you.
Because imperfection carries story and expression, and perfect things often feel empathy because they like a journey. Okay,
It's
that's
like
all.
a journey.
Yes.
Like Okay, imperfect things feel more human and real. We connect to them emotionally because we see ourselves in them.
Okay, okay. And I think perfection is feel empty and cold. That's maybe okay. Let's move to the next question. What is the differences between imperfection and careless? Yeah.
Okay, imperfection still involves effort, intention, and security, even if the outcome is not ideal.
Okay, this how a large of cornet for the process wabi sabi flows honestly and effort, not laziness.
Yeah, 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 exactly. Uh, One things that we have to emphasize in wabi sabi is, yeah, wabi sabi is fellas intention
Yeah.
and honest, and it's not about laziness. So that's differences. Okay, next, how does wabi sabi view time?
Okay, wabi sabi sees time as something that adds value to life and object.
It again, it's not some time to fear because every path of life has its own meaning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I agree with your opinion that every phase of life has its own
Yeah.
meaning. So
Every
everything in this world is have meaning. Okay, next question. Are all objects always wabi-sabi or not?
Okay. Uh, Not always.
Okay.
An object becomes wabi sabi when it holds meaning and emotional value.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's all.
How about you?
for me, its value comes from the relationship we have with it, not just its game.
Yes, I agree with that.
Yeah.
And all objects matter when they carry emotional stories. Like example, like maybe my phone. This is old object and
Yeah.
this is carry a lot of stories. So this is wabi sabi.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. So next question. Examples of wabi sabi around us. The example.
Okay, books, netbooks, flying with marks and nuts. That the story. Okay.
Okay, for me, it's simple hearts. The money not be luxurious, but it's full of memories and warmth.
Yeah, yeah. Just like my phone. This is
Yeah.
example of wabi sabi. There's a lot. Okay, and then next question. Does wabi sabi reject progress?
No, wabi sabi that not reject progress at all.
Hmm.
Yes, it simple reminds us not to lose our humanity while moving forward.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And progress is matter, but meaning it matters too. I mean, like this is 50-50. Okay, nice question. Next question.
Yes.
Why are people afraid of looking imperfect?
Because people fear being judged are seen as a failure by others.
Okay, we are afraid to comparison and of not meeting a social standard.
Yeah, yeah. And social standard are too high.
Yeah.
sometimes they expect more from us.
Yes.
That's why
Okay.
people afraid. Okay, next question. The connection between wabi-sabi and mental health.
And wabi-sabi helps life feel calmer because we stop demanding perfection for ourselves.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, next.
Yes, it reduces the pressure to always be perfect, which supports mental well-being.
Okay, okay, okay. Simple question but deep. Okay, so it's also help us to accept ourselves. Like there's no problem. We are not perfect. Like just the way you are. You are perfect just the way you are. Okay, next question. Is failure part of person?
Yes, failure is a natural part of life.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, for me, through failure, we learn, grow, and become stronger.
Yeah. Okay, that means failure is not end of everything, but it's a process. Okay. Okay, next question. How does Wabi Sabi see mistakes?
Mistakes are seen as life lesson, not something to hide or feel as habit of. Okay, that's all.
For me, they help shape maturity and understanding.
Yes, I agree. So mistake is not a thing that we have to afraid because every human has a mistake. Okay. Next question. Does Wabi Sabi teach us surrender?
And I not surrender without effort, but expression after doing our best. Okay, that's all. Yes.
Okay, for me, maybe we keep trying while learning to take out comments we cannot control.
Yeah. So Wabi Sabi doesn't teach surrender, but
Yes.
yes, they are more about acceptance. Okay, okay. Next question. How does Wabi Sabi help us accept ourselves?
And it remains as though we do not have to be perfect to be worthy.
Okay.
Our paths are not a reason to hate ourselves, but part of who we are.
So we learn to accept ourselves. Yeah. Okay. Next question. In social media against Wabi Sabi
No,
or not?
you.
Um, in my ways, yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Nice. For me, maybe social media often show idealized life while struggling and favor remain hidden.
Okay. So the point is social media is doesn't against Wabi Sabi. Okay. Okay. Next question. Is a simple life always Wabi Sabi?
Uh, Not always. It dependent on awareness, awareness and attention. It's all.
Intuition. Wabi Sabi is not about wealth, but about how we view life.
Okay. Simplicity with meaning reflects Wabi Sabi.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, that's the answer. The short answer. but have meaning. Okay, next question. Is wabi sabi relevant for young people?
Um, Very relevant because young people face many pressure.
Oh
Yes, so wabi sabi help them be less hard on themselves.
okay, so wabi sabi teach us about imperfection. We don't have to be perfect. Yeah, because in social right now, young people, they are have a lot of pressure. Yes, because yeah, that's useful. Okay, next, how does wabi sabi define success?
And for me, success is not only about achievements or status. Yes, that's all.
Okay, so living honestly and meaningfully is also a form of success.
Uh, in my opinion, wabi sabi is being honest with yourself. Being honest to yourself, ourselves is the success. Okay. Uh, Next question. Can wabi sabi be applied in the workplace?
Okay, yes, by presenting effort and process, not only result.
Okay, number matters, but people matters more.
Okay. I have no idea here because I don't know the question, the answer.
Yes.
Okay. So let's move to the next question. Indonesian values similarity to wabi sabi or not?
Mm, Maybe the concept on and Rima are experience. That's all. Okay.
Next.
Uh, Maybe for me, a simple life, life it with gratitude.
Gratitude.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Just maybe it's similar with Indonesian because simple life. Yeah. Simple thing, simple life. Okay. Nice answer. So next question. Why does wabi sabi invite us to slow down?
So
Yeah.
we can live more consciously.
Consciously. Okay.
For me, so meaning often expressed when we move slowly.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So I believe that wabi sabi is to avoid mental exhaustion maybe, yeah, because wabi sabi is not about perfection. So next question. The danger of chasing perfection. What is the danger of that?
Uh,
Be your opinion.
Your opinion.
in my opinion, it causes mental exhaustion and content discussion patient.
Yeah, it's like my question before.
It makes you easily distracted and disimportant. Yes,
Okay.
quite
It's a good question, and actually I have no idea about the answer. Okay, so let's just move to the next question.
okay.
The next question is, how does wabi sabi view emotional goods?
You mentioned
And I emotional words are part of life.
Okay, so Wabi Sabi see that emotional life is
Yes.
part of our life.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Also, for me, maybe the help is grow,
Mm.
empathy, and self awareness. Awareness.
Okay.
So this is
Awareness.
this is good philosophy to
Yes.
apply in our
Yeah.
life, especially we are living in Indonesia. Okay, next question. Does Wabi Sabi teach gratitude?
Gratitude.
Yeah, gratitude. Okay.
Yeah, gratitude.
Okay.
You.
And I yes.
Why?
Especially gratitude for small things.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Martin. Okay, man.
okay.
For me, we don't need a perfect life to be
Mm-mm.
grateful.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So yes, that's good answer, and I very agree with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just move to the next question. The meaning of cracks in our life.
Correct. No life you life.
Yes,
Okay.
being in your guys' life.
And I
Correct.
cracks give character.
Character.
Mm,
Yes. Yes.
Okay. For me, the courage stories they make use unique.
mm-mm.
Okay.
Yes, maybe that's become a memory
Yeah.
for us. Okay, next question. The greatest lesson of Wabi Sabi. What is that?
And we are and now even when we are not perfect.
Okay, so that's your opinion like that. Your answer. Okay, okay.
Okay. So life is not a ride.
Okay, okay. Okay, next question. How can we start living with Sabi Sabi in our life? Hmm,
Okay.
Wabi Sabi.
And I stop comparing yourself to others.
So we don't have to compare ourselves to other. Okay, next.
Okay, so tap yourself and enjoy the process. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That means just accept ourselves, you know.
Okay.
Okay. Next, a Wabi Sabi message for learners.
Literally. For you, literally.
I am moving slowly. It's okay.
Oh, moving slowly.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice.
Okay, so for me, failure is part of being human.
Yes, I agree
Yeah.
because there's no one human in this world is perfect.
Yeah.
Even maybe you guys know K-pop artists,
Yeah.
Jungkook, Jimin, they are they are not
I
perfect.
love it.
They're human just like us.
Yeah.
Okay, next question. What changed after embracing Wabi Sabi?
Embracing.
And
Your opinion, what is this?
in my
About
opinion,
embracing oneself.
the way we say life becomes calmer.
Children.
Yes, calmer.
Good. Okay, the way we educate ourselves becomes kind.
Yeah, that's mean the way how we see life.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, next question. Can Wabi Sabi help us deal with uncertainty in our life?
Yes, because Wabi Sabi teaches us that not everything needs to be clear or planned perfectly.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yes.
So uncertainty becomes easier to accept when we stop forcing life to follow our expectation.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I think that's all right. The question.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's move to the next question. Okay. How does Wabi Sabi change the way we see ourselves?
So,
How?
Me, we stop saying ourselves as not enough just because we are imperfect.
Okay. That's mean we just
Yeah.
accept ourselves even when we are not perfect because human is imperfect. Yeah. Okay.
So we began to see ourselves as human who are growing and not forget the mark we found.
Okay. That's a very good answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. What role does patiently play in Wabi Sabi?
The role.
And me,
Yes.
For your opinion.
Yeah. Your opinion.
in my
Lilis?
opinion, pension allows us to respect our own and pace in life. Okay, that's all.
Yes, Wabi Sabi remind you to grow. It takes time, and that is okay.
Yeah, like we talking before,
Yeah.
talking about imperfection. We just accept ourselves. Okay. Next question. Can Wabi Sabi help heal disappointment? Maybe Wabi Sabi can deal with it.
Okay, in my opinion, yes, because it helps use expect outcomes without hating ourselves.
Yeah.
Yes.
I agree with the answer because yes, that's what Wabi Sabi
Yeah.
teach to us.
So, disappointment becomes a lesson, not a personal factor.
Failure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's related.
Yes.
Okay, next question. Maybe this is the last question for today because we have a lot of question and maybe you guys tired and we don't have any drink or food here. Okay, so this is the last question. If Wabi Sabi were one sentence, what would it be?
Me, life is meaningful even when it is imperfect. Yes, that's all.
So, you are allowed to be universal.
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, it's maybe just deal with imperfection. Yeah, that's my opinion. Okay, maybe that's all for podcast video today for today. And thank you for you guys being for being coming to my podcast. Okay, hope you guys enjoy our video and don't forget to comment.
And like,
and comment.
You have to comment in our video. Okay, maybe that's all. I'll say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Bye bye. Thank you.